Lines and angles part 3. More one angle relations. Vertical opposite angles. Two angles are called a pair of vertically opposite angles if their arms form to pair of opposite rays. Here AC and the lines, two lines are AC and BD intersecting at a point O. Angle AOD and angle BOC form a pair of opposite angles. Also, angle AOB and angle COD are the pair of the opposite angles. So, angle AOB is equal to angle COD is the opposite angles, and also angle AOD and BOC is the opposite angles, or vertical opposite angles are equal. One example, in figure line AB and CD intersecting at a O forming angles as shown in the figures. If A is equal to 45 degrees, find the value of A, B, C and D. So AB and DC are intersecting at a point O. The forming of the figure angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So, since the lines AB and CD intersecting at a O, angle A is equal to angle C. These are vertically opposite angles. So, 45 degrees. Angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Clearly, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. So angle A is equal to 45 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees is going to 135 degrees. So therefore, angle A is equal to angle C 45 degrees, and angle B, angle D is equal to 135 degrees. Next question, in figure find the value of x. In figure find the value of x. Since angle COF and DOA, since angle COF and angle angle DOE is vertically opposite angles. In figure find the value of x. Since angle COF and angle DOE are vertically opposite angles. Now OA and OB are opposite rays. So angle COF is equal to angle DOE. Angle COF is equal to angle DOE is 2x degrees. So the straight line are linear pairs. Angle AOF plus angle FAOF plus angle FOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Straight line or linear pairs are adjacent angles. 3x degrees plus FOC is 2x degrees plus 5x is going to 180 degrees of 2x plus 3x plus 5x is 10x degrees. 180 degrees x degrees is equal 180 by 10 is going to 18 degrees. Angles made by a transversal with two lines. transversal line. A line N, a line which intersecting two or more given lines at distinct points is called a transversal of given line. A line which intersected two or more lines, given lines, line at distinct points is called transversal of the given line. So line N is a transversal line of the lines L and M are respectively, that the lines L and M are and N, L and M lines are parallel, and N is the transversal line. Determine the 8 angles. Determine the 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 4 angles, and 5, 6, 7, 8 the another 4 angles. We classify these 8 angles in the following groups: corresponding angles, alternative angles, and one side of the interior. First of all, corresponding angles. It is 1, 2, 8, 7 is the exterior angles. 4, 3, 5, 6 are interior angles. And corresponding angles, 2 angles on the same side of the transversal. 2 angles on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, 3, 7. Same side of the transversal are known as the corresponding angles. If both lines either above the 2 lines or below the 2 lines, above the 2 lines, above, this is the L line and M line, above lines. So 1, 5 is the corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, and angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and below lines, and angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 3 is equal to angle 7. There are corresponding angles. And alternative interior angles. What is the alternative interior angles? The following pair of the angles is called pair of alternative interior angles. Interior. So alternate one left side and right side, one left side. We take interior of the transversal line, right side angle and left side angle. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5. It is a alternative one. Is also angle 4 and angle 6 is the alternative angles. Next, consecutive interior angles. The pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are called pair of consecutive interior angles. So one side of interior of the transversal, this is transversal line. Angle 4 and angle 5 interior angles of the same side of the transversal line, same side of the transversal line. Interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Each pair of the consecutive interior angles are supplementary 180 degrees, and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. These are consecutive interior angles. The most of the angles consecutive interior angles and corresponding angles and alternative interior angles. Thank you.